Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be packing the most expensive hand plane that I have ever sold, so I'm going to go overboard. I also recommend you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you some things about UPS that you might not know. Stick with me. If you guys are enjoying this video, feel free to check out a link in the description. I'm doing that buy me a coffee thing. Also, if you are a newer woodworking, need somebody to bounce ideas off of, get guidance from, whatever, I'm offering memberships there as well. And then, of course, like and subscribe.
I can't do nothing with you.
All right, so there you have it. As you can see, I definitely went overboard with this. I double boxed it. I put the screws in the little case, that was kind of fun. I know I'm weird. But I went overboard because it is the most expensive hand plane that I've ever sold. And I've sold 2 number 1, so that kind of gives you an idea of how much this plane costs. So yeah, I'm a little nervous to ship it. It's also 29 pounds. It's 23 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 9 inches tall. And 29 pounds. So, yes, I'm a little nervous. I did buy the insurance to cover the full purchase price of it. On that note, too, maybe you guys can help me understand something, okay? I'm paying USPS to take a package from A to B. That's their job. I'm paying them to take it from A to B. If anything happens in between there, if they mess anything up, it is not their fault, unless you buy insurance. So maybe you guys can help me understand that logic, because you're paying them to do a job. If they don't do it, it's on you unless you bought the insurance. Let me know down below what you think about that. Now, UPS was what I was going to mention. If you are selling anything, vintage or antique, that you can't go online and buy, eBay doesn't count. Like if you can't go online and buy an item that's still being made, UPS will not reimburse you. It's in their agreement. I got burned by it. Look it up. I actually got burned by UPS so many times that I'll never use them again. For example, if I would have used UPS shipping this item, it would have saved me 50 bucks. But if something happens, I get no money back. Nothing. So I'm going with USPS all the time now. So just keep that in mind. If you guys are selling anything vintage, if you're shipping Lee Nielsen, Veritas, whatever, you can use UPS if you want to. But if it's an old Stanley, don't do it. I don't recommend it. When you're packing planes too, Clearly I went overboard. Clearly I did way more than you actually need to do when you're packing a plane. I plan on recording another video that shows you, like, pack a plane like this. But if you ever do pack something super expensive, definitely take some of the tips that I used here and just go crazy, because it doesn't hurt anything if you pack it too well, right? All right, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Oh wait, like and subscribe, and buy me a coffee down below. Adios.